Hello everyone. Moving on. So today we are going to talk about an interesting, topic, which is how to start a quality project. It will be like I'll run through 7 slides, so it should not take more time. So basically, the idea is you should go for what I call like a low-hanging fruit. Look for something which is doable and easy, and does not require a lot of funding. So for example, here we're going to take an example that you have noticed that the average time taken to place the admission orders by the resident is 50 minutes. So this is right here, there's a quality project. You can reduce the time, and the aim is you're planning to reduce it by 20%. So how we go about it? So first of all, before we come with our plan, we have to find out among what are the problems residents face, problem which stands out. So we call it like a Pareto chart, so 80-20 rule. So here, after asking the resident, we realize that admission orders and progress note take most of the time. So our main aim now with this study would be to work on admission orders. So I hope you guys understand what Pareto chart is. 80-20 rule, you can Google it and see that. So next step is, of course, you have to come with your aim statement. The acronym for that is SMART. So your aim have to be specific. Like in our case, our aim is specific. We want to reduce, the time of admission order. It's measurable. We are going to measure, in an objective mathematical way. It's attainable. We are not doing something that is not attainable. It's very relevant because you reduce the time, which is very important. And it should be time bound. It's not like, you're planning a study and that takes a year. That's not a quality project. So going on with that, I hope you guys know about the driver's diagram. So how I remember it is, look at your problem and see what could, be the cause of that. For example, sometimes residents are writing the orders and the nurses come and they said, could you please write this order? And they get distracted. And then somebody call them to come and examine the baby. So these type of things, you have to look into and put your own driver diagram. The other way of remembering driver diagram is just the opposite of root cause analysis. Like you guys remember fishbone diagram. So whatever feeds into the fishbone and at the end of the mouth is just the reverse in the driver diagram. And again, pause the video, look at whatever is feeding in, and then in the next slide I will show you that these are the things you should be looking at. You should be looking at educating the nurses, RTs. Of course, the reason is distractions. Then, of course, you can have, admission order in such a way that the IT can help you in making sure that it's expedited. You can have order sets. You can have, many other built-in things which can help you with the order. So anyway, so after doing that, what you do, you collect the time. And this is in an Excel sheet. So you just time it like, in week 1, the average time taken was 52, 61, 48, 10, goes on. Then you did some intervention. Intervention means you educated everyone and you talk to, your EM or IT department. And then you see the difference in the timings. So this is again displayed in a different way using again the Excel. And again, I want to touch a little bit on the control diagram. Again, you guys can Google it and then pause it and see. So basically, you can make out easily, follow the orange line, and you can see how it started with 50, then went to 68, and this is the mean. And then after intervention, we got it down to the mean was down to 35 minutes from 51. So which was statistically significant. So this is a simple example of how you can run a quality project. But again, read about it, and this is the way to go. I hope this small presentation helps you guys in understanding how to conduct a quality project. Write in comments if you want to, have some other thoughts. And thank you again. Bye.